welcome back to another YouTube video. So today I'm going to be making a pink fluffy slime. And yeah, so with the shaving cream that I got bottle of white Elmer's Gold Glue, a little thing of pink food dye, a can of shaving cream which is almost full, a little plastic clear spoon, and body hard for shaving. Then I got contact lens solution, well, saline solution, contact solution, and a tub of baking soda, which you can kind of see at the corner. You can see that there's baking soda in there. It's almost full, but it's like a full container, a full big container of baking soda. And we got this whole table area. And let's start making. I'm so excited. First, we're gonna unscrew the lid. I haven't made a focus in so long. Shop Etsy for everyday items. New Advil Dual Action with acetaminophen. This is so weird. Two ways. Advil targets pain at the source, while acetaminophen blocks pain signals. The future of pain relief is here. New Advil Dual Action. This is a lot of glue. Right now, and one bottle. Keep it fresh because Squeaky Clean Club. Can't wait to have this fluffy, nice pink slime. Slime.
Itchy, scratchy, family not getting clean? Get Charmin Ultra Strong. It just cleans better, so your family can use less.
I'm going to try making like a bold strawberry frap.
Enjoy to go with Charmin.
A strawberry frappe in a bowl. Let's see if this is possible, because I think it is.
It nourishes and strengthens my joints for the long term.
Okay, put that bottle together. I think I know how to do this, and there's something in it.
SNHU lets you transfer up to 90 credits toward your bachelor's degree.
It doesn't matter how old you are, you can do it. You can finish.
Finish your degree at snhu.edu.
I'm gonna have to whip that. Oh, I have to put one drop. And we mix it all up. And I know how to make this little pack. It's gonna turn like the right exact color as it's needed. Perfect color for strawberry frap. And then we have to add the classic whipped cream champagne. So if it's a strawberry frap, it's champagne. Gotta shake it, and then we
This model removes up to 20 pints
of
water per day.
Kind of weird.
Only $119.99 with 11% rebate. Save with 11% off everything at
that was a lot of champagne. It looks good, and then I add a drop of pink dye on the top, and then we'll let it drip down.
Because we have an angel, it's kind of like you don't want to have another angel.
And then it's gonna look like a strawberry frap. Serving the strawberry frap. It looks so good. I just want to eat it.
I'm so
Alrighty,
nervous
let's start
right now
mixing.
because
Oh
I'm
my
about
gosh,
to
this
find
is so
out
much
if I'm
shaving
getting
cream. I
approved
don't know
for
if
weight
this is
loss
okay.
surgery. Dr. Now said I had to lose 33 pounds to get under 607, and I've tried harder than I ever have to do this.
Okay, this is really so pretty. I guess this is what happens when mix of strawberry
That's
crap.
so close. And I don't know if I should
All
be
together.
excited or scared right now. I just hope this is enough. And I'm not gonna get sent away over 1 pound.
Hello.
Hello.
How y'all doing?
Doing alright?
Alright. So Nicole, you lost 32 pounds
Okay, this is
past
like
month.
taking like the
You were
whole bowl.
supposed to lose
So
33.
let me start
You
the
almost made it,
activating
but
process.
I'm gonna put you
Take the
for
lid off
weight
the baking
loss
soda.
surgery, okay?
Oh my gosh.
Get my
Okay.
hand
So
in.
much.
That's good news for you.
Wonderful news.
At the beginning, Nicole didn't do well, and she wasn't taking responsibility for her actions. But her dedication to losing weight in past 2 months shows that she's ready to make changes. And I think the surgery will be an appropriate tool to help her to move forward. I'm very proud of you, so we're going to get you on a schedule here for surgery soon. But you have history of developing blood clots like you did in your first pregnancy. Those can be deadly. So I want you to get your aerobic activity up by walking every day. And when you can walk for 10 minutes without sitting down, then we'll schedule you for surgery. Keep up the good work, and I'll see you soon.
Thank you very much,
All
really.
right? You're welcome.
Trying to keep that baking soda off the side of the bowl.
You have to.
There's still white glue on the side of the bowl.
I'm super excited, kind of emotional about it, because I love her so much and I don't want to see her die because of her weight. Now she's gonna have a surgery and I'll have the woman I want to be with beside me.
I'm so excited right now, and I'm so proud of myself. And
A
I'm
little
getting my
bit more baking soda
stamina
just
to
for
what the
safety.
doctor needs, so I can get my surgery
Let's
as
keep
fast
this
as I
bottle of
can.
contact lens.
I'm gonna try to avoid my wheelchair as much as possible, because I can't wait to have the surgery and start to change my life.
Already starting to form. Look how that looks like that. It just looks like a little rainy waterfall. It looks like I like strawberry syrup in my spoon right there.
I was
So you
finally
put
able
strawberry
to get my
syrup on
stamina up enough for Dr. Now to say I'm ready for surgery. And now that the day is finally here, I'm really nervous. Scared?
Just go to sleep and I'll wake up and it's all better.
Because if I don't, please take care of the kids.
I love you so much.
I just want to tell my parents, Charlie and my kids, that I'm sorry for being big and being a burden on them. And if something happens to me, just know that I'll watch over you. My biggest fear is something could go wrong in the surgery because of my size. But I'm tired of fighting every day to live. So I have to do this.
I'm so excited.
Today,
Well,
Nicole is having her weight loss
On my
surgery.
first,
I'm
Excuse
planning
me.
on
Hold on,
doing
just
a gastric
on my
procedure on her.
first coffee
Because
times
most
in
of her weight
a
is
while.
in her abdomen, so there's
I
not
have
going to
coffees
be
like
enough
this and
space to do a procedure
to
like a
the
bypass.
ages. This one's so puppy.
It's tender on my dog.
And like, sometimes put a little bit of shaving cream.
During
No
gastric
sense.
sleeve operation, we remove the majority of the stomach, protect down to the bowel. A sleeve gastrectomy limits what the patient can consume in one setting. And if the patient remains dedicated, they will lose a lot of weight.
Okay, it's almost.
Fair enough.
Sorry about that one.
Don't fall on it.
Waiting for news is just hard. My emotions are all over the place. One minute I'm happy, and then I'm scared that she's not gonna wake up to the pile on the operating table. But she's taking the risk for you and the kids.
Give me one more drain. She's got a lot of scar tissue from her C-sections. And having to
Use the
cut
funny thing,
patches
both of my
off
shaving
makes
cream
the
and my
procedure
contact so I can say
a
okay.
little
I heard you fart out there.
You did?
Yes.
Be careful.
And they both say
Okay, we got that figured out.
now
Let's
just
remove the stomach.
add a little bit more. And the slime should be fluffy as
Everything is looking good.
be.
We can start to close it up. Everyone back on?
This slime's so cold.
That looks good.
Are we gonna need a bag, someone here?
Yes.
The cone surgery went very well. We encountered a lot of adhesion from a previous C-section, but I was able to manage it and still successfully perform the sleeve. This surgery will keep her focused for a bit. But she still has to deal with your emotional issues to keep making progress long term. And that's going to be hard for her.
Here.
Vicky. Hey, baby. You alright?
What time is it?
Your dad's leg was hurting. So they went home. They've been gone for a while. You let us see her awake. You're alive and you woke up. Think about this. It's the beginning of the rest of our lives.
It's been 5 days since my sleeve surgery, and I've been trying to stay as active as I can, because I don't want to develop any issues, and I just really want to go home.
When I'm done making this slime, I'm gonna.
I haven't really
Keep your
felt
and lay down,
hungry.
because that's my phone.
The night
What
before
time
my
is it?
surgery, I was actually in the middle of a grocery store, and I
I'm not
literally
excited for tomorrow.
had
I
a
got my
breakup
test.
with food. I said I've needed you for so long, and I'm gonna need food for the rest of my life, but I can't do the relationship with you anymore. I have to end it, and kind of made me feel better.
So you ready to go home?
I am, but I'm worried because of all the stress and drama that takes place in the house. I don't know if it's gonna be the same when I go home, because there's something going on between me and my dad. He hasn't come to visit me in the hospital. And he wouldn't even call me or anything. It hurts. It breaks my heart.
There's golden in my slime.
So as much as I want to go home,
A
I'm
golden
scared
pink
to,
slime.
because I don't know how things are gonna go. I got here because I made better choices, and I had my family's support. And if that's no
Kinda
longer
late.
the case, I know
Mom, what
I'm
time
not
is
gonna
it?
have the strength to stick with this for long.
Is it 12 something?
10 o'clock.
That's not that late. Come on.
I'm ready to do that all over again. I just want to make
Almost 10. So it's 9 something. And I gotta go to bed. Well, I understand I have a test for online school at 9 o'clock in the morning. And I usually wake up at 10.
Darcy and Stacy, all new, Sunday at 10 on TLC.
Okay, making a bubble. So close. This is so soft.
Sorry. Hey, could you play something more fun? That's it. Add this to my summer vibes playlist.
Adding to summer vibes.
We gotta
This
get
time of
there
year,
too.
I'm always
You
looking
gotta
for
take
the
your
best
medicine,
way to
so-
keep my family healthy. And the one ingredient everyone's talking about is black elderberry. That's why I choose Sample.
Sambucol is scientifically tested to help support your immune. Sambucol is drug-free and has a power of 1,000 black elderberries in it.
And kids love it too, because it tastes so great. Support your family's immunity with Sample Black
I'm
Elderberry.
making room so I can make a bubble. On the table.
Children outside this marriage. We're trash to her, but she's trying to throw us away.
So we got this whole area. And we got this kind of big.
Oh, I haven't even lit the match.
And I love the softness.
I'm
A bit.
53, but in my mind, I'm still 35. That's why I take Osteo Biflex to keep me moving the way I was made to.
Trying to make a
It
bubble.
nourishes and strengthens my joints for the long term. Osteo Biflex plus
I made a bubble,
vitamin D
but then it
for
just
support.
deflated.
Bottom line is, moms love Atlanta Frost Premium Spike Beats have no byproducts.
I wish I had a bigger area because of how like this is huge. I just don't want to touch this because stuff is like papers. You guys can't see
Only
it, but
Invisalign treatment uses smart.
I'll show you this
It
papers.
moves teeth more comfortably and predictably than ordinary
Just
aligners.
like child the whole time. I just don't want to get the slime on it. So that's exactly what I'm scared of.
Great deal. The $6.99 Super Slam is your perfect meal.
I had to move everything over so I had this much time.
Sausage, bacon, and hash browns. It's enough breakfast for dinner, and it's as good as it sounds. See you at Denny's.
The camera looks like a much bigger area. I'm gonna try to make them a tiny bubble.
You're not good enough. But I am enough. I know what I'm made of. Your skin in the game.
If you
With a
just
race that
let me just
skin first. Venus, my
I'm gonna
skin,
pretend like
my
I'm
way.
cooking.
Notice how stiff clothes can feel rough on your skin? For softer clothes that are gentle on your skin, try Downy Free and
And I feel
Gentle.
like
Downy will
this.
soften your clothes without dyes or
Pretend like I'm making a
The towel wash
pancake.
from Downy is softer and
A
gentler.
square shaped pancake.
Try Downy Free and Gentle.
Okay, it's not really looking like a.
Looking out for myself. I'm all alone again. Sunday.
The wedding day is finally here.
Carefully.
Before the surgery that it was
It's supposed to be flat on this side.
Larissa is fairly responsive. This is very critical.
Okay, it's flat enough in the back, and I'm gonna.
It's an exciting time. My family's expanding. I feel like this new chapter can't start until my mom's completely off the farm.
This is not my home anymore. And I don't want to come back to this.
That's what I mean. Talk about maybe we can move in here. Maybe we can be the ones that take over the farm.
The last couple days, Lila hasn't been feeling very well.
It seems like she's in pain. Have to go to the emergency room.
Okay, it's a flat surface. I'm gonna draw with this tool.
Open heart surgery. Probably for 2 weeks, baby, okay? With any surgery, there's risk. With open heart surgery, there are a lot of risks. We've been down this road with Carter passing away. Could this happen with Dawson? Because we have an angel, it's kind of like you don't want to have another angel.
Doubling down with the Doricos. All new Tuesday at 10 on TLC.
Oh, flop in the slime. Because it's so soft and fluffy. You can just hear the pure fluffiness of the slime. Alright, let me show you. Stretchiness, it's pretty stretchy, but if you go fast, it will rip. And I'm just picking up pieces of gold in my slime.
So I've just tried to stay
It's
focused and avoid
really
any
crap
temptation
broccoli.
when I feel overwhelmed.
I will make you
Charlie
see.
and I have been going out to stay
Broccoli.
active and spend time together now that I can do more. Because I've been pretty much bedridden our whole relationship. And for the first time, that's changing.
I just did that and then some.
I have something to say to you. Got my thoughts rolled down.
She wrote me a letter.
We've been together 4 years. It's been a crazy ride, full of ups and downs. And I'm glad they've been with you. You have something I never gave to anyone. It's my heart. You are the one I want to grow old with. When I think about you, I feel the love I've wanted my whole life. My heart beats for you. I love you with everything I got, Nikki. I want to ask you something.
Okay. What?
To marry me? I'm crying. Don't cry. So?
So? Yes.
Like that? I want to do this journey with you forever. It's not your journey anymore, it's our journey. said yes. That's what I wanted. At this moment, I'm feeling ecstatic, engaged, and
I'm trying to figure out
so
like
like,
a long distance.
I feel on top of the world. And like I'm finally starting to have a real life. I never pictured posing rings. Today I'm gonna try to talk to my mom. Because our living situation isn't gonna work anymore.
It's a lot in.
I need to be in a more stable environment if I'm gonna be successful.
Okay, does it look
and be
like
the
a
mom my
gaming
kids
handle?
deserve.
Now it's a little bit not as long.
Conversation with you and Dad.
But if I
You're
were
just not around right
myself,
now.
I'd
So,
say
I guess
it
I'll
looks
have to talk to you.
okay like a gaming
We moved to
handle.
Texas for me to
So we're just
get my
gonna
life
put
back,
a
for me to be
button,
able to move and be
in
on
there,
my
button,
own and not have you have to take care of me and raise my kids
button.
because I'm too immobile to. So I want Charlie and the kids to be able to go out and get our own place because I'm gonna be able to take care of them. And I think it's best that way because there's a lot of screaming, yelling, and negativity in this house, and I can't deal with it anymore.
I ain't gonna be mad at you because that's what you come down here for. I don't know how to tell your father.
He has a problem, Mom. There is thoughts in my mind that Dad is doing drugs again, and I don't want that around the kids because they're gonna grow up the same way I did. But I'm thankful that you're here. You're my mom, I love you, and I love my dad, but I have to stand up and be the mom that the kids need me to be. Tired of sitting on the sidelines. I've sat on the sidelines my whole life.
Making a
And
new
that's why I
gaming
made this
controller.
change. To get rid of all this weight and to get better.
You're doing it. I want you to be independent and successful. I hope you live your,
That's a new gaming
your
handle.
life to the fullest to the end. No, I do love you. Come a long way. Got a long road ahead of you, but you're gonna make it. You're gonna lose weight, Jason, believe me. Look at my dance.
I know, I don't even want.
Look at this little
I
clip
want
though.
you for to do
She
way
just wants
better
to
than
stop.
I'm gonna do.
Also, she landed
And I
on
hope
her
your
feet.
children will do way better than all of us has ever done.
What was it that I just saw on the slime?
I know
Purple.
this is gonna be hard, and I love my parents.
We guess that's
But this
purple
is
and
the
that's
right
in this
thing to do.
pink glow up. Stretchy, but fluffy. So that
I'm at the doctor's to see how much progress I've made.
give this
But I
a
feel really good, and right now,
huge thumbs
I'm not even nervous about getting on the scale.
up.
Because I can feel the difference in my body. It's been so long since I've seen my weight that low. And I'm really proud of myself.
Hello.
Today you're down to 521 pounds. How does it feel?
Okay, give this video a big, huge thumbs up and subscribe.
Well,
I'm so
happy. I'm glad that you're not enabling her anymore. Keep up the good work. And good luck. Nicole done very well. It took her a while to get going in the right direction. She's dealing with the issue that she needs to, and I'm confident she will stay on track over the next year.
I'm really happy right now. There have been so many incredible changes in my life over the past year. And I'm so focused on becoming the person and the mom I've wanted to be. Charlie and I are in the process of finding a new place to live and moving out. My parents are going to stay here until the lease is up and then move back to Ohio. Can you imagine yourself here having fun? Do you want to go? So for the first time in our relationship, we're going to be living alone. Because I can do so much more now. Not just on my own, but with my
Give this
family.
video thumbs up. Hope you liked it and bye bye.